Hello, I'm John from Maxwell Farm Service. Today we're going to go through all the different types of lines we have in lawn and garden. So we have our country clippers with the flip-up deck, very unique model on their own, and a zero-turn lawnmower, joystick drive. We also have our Ferris lawnmowers, very high-end, made by Briggs & Stratton, owned by Briggs & Stratton. We have our Cub Cadet lineup, MTD power products. They make everything from ride-on lawn tractors to zero turns with lap bars and zero turns with steering wheels to high, heavy quality commercial mowers. They also make push mowers, MTD push mowers. They also make Troy-Bilt tillers and other type of Troy-Bilt products.